Explain how to download the Magic Pen drawing on the iPad. Find the App Store. Enter Corel. Click to download. After the download is complete, open the software on the desktop. After opening, there will be a Wi-Fi icon in the upper left corner. In the Wi-Fi option box, you need to enter the server's IP where the scanner software is located. Click OK. Then the network connected to the iPad must be connected to the same network as the scanner server. After the connection is successful, a blue Wi-Fi pattern will be displayed. Then you can use the iPad to do graffiti drawing. Choose color stroke size. After the graffiti is completed, the graffiti object will be projected on the big screen. The iPad will automatically follow the game switching on the big screen.